Check this out.
So plants and animals all start life as a single cell,
This cell is called the stem cell.
and that cell has to divide multiple times, and then those cells have to divide to produce all of the different cell types in an organism.
Proper development is very important. When this process goes awry, it could lead to diseases like cancer. So in this video, what we're seeing is basically a root growing.
And we took these images using a light sheet microscope that we built and customized in order to be able to track the root tips as they grow downward.
So our ultimate question in this research is to understand how stem cells decide how to divide.
We need to understand how cell division is controlled during normal development in order to understand how things go wrong.